curiously important question from a curiously important man, Wimpy McPote with a man with a million excuses.
Yes.
He's asking, how does a fatality affect your insurance rates? A lot of people wonder stuff like this, Tony. You have a fatality, what's going to happen to your business, even if it's not your fault? Because you know what's going to happen, whether it's your fault or not, you're getting sued, right? That's just
Yeah,
the way
yeah, yeah.
things are.
So the fatality in of itself is just a type of claim. So it's your experience. So it's the amount of the cost of the claim, whether it's paid out, legal defense. So you can win a lawsuit. It's still part of the expense factor and will show up on your loss run. So losses, when you're an owner operator, a small motor carrier of one. And so let's make sure we understand terminology. An owner operator is somebody who leases onto a motor carrier. An owner operator who gets his own authority instantly becomes a motor carrier because he has his own authority.
Right.
So an owner operator leased onto a motor carrier, right or wrong, the loss goes to the motor carrier. It's one of the things that are wrong in our industry. So let's say that guy asked a great question. I go to work for Swift and I cause Swift a $500,000 loss. Okay. The only thing that will show in my MVR is an accident. It doesn't show finality. It doesn't show liability. It doesn't show claim amount. So I can go lease onto another motor carrier who will accept a single accident. The footprint that driver caused stays with the motor carrier, and it stays with the motor carrier for 3 years. Okay. And now, because losses are trying to hone in as an industry, some carriers go back 5 years. Now, the older it gets, the less value the claim has, but it still shows, and they have to look at those claim totals, even though the driver's gone. So you would think, because let's say you're the driver and you got in the accident, they would terminate you almost immediately, I would think, right? So the impact of that accident will stay with the motor carrier. And the reason it stays is it's more of a hiring practice than it is a driver, right? It's the decision to allow you to contract with them that became the issue, right or wrong.